Hey everyone, welcome to Korea Eat Happy. This is OCHIKERON. Today I wanted to show you how to make egg salad sandwiches with chunky Brussels sprouts. The Brussels sprouts recipe is the one I shared with you last time. It's a Korean style Brussels Sprouts Namul. Hint of sesame oil makes the egg sandwich really tasty. You have to try it out. I hope you like this idea and I hope you can try it out. Here are the ingredients. I'm going to use an egg timer from Daiso. My mom bought it for me and it was pretty convenient. You boil from water. I'm gonna stop at medium. How to boil without the egg timer? I have a video already on my channel, so please check it out. It was just perfect. Chop or mash with a fork 2 boiled eggs. Then season the chopped eggs with mayonnaise, sugar, and salt and pepper. Place half of the egg salad on a slice of bread. Place the Brussels Sprouts Namul, which I shared with you in the other video. When Japanese people make namul, garlic is not a must, maybe because we Japanese don't eat spicy food all the time. I heard many people want to add garlic. Yes, you can, and yes, that's going to be delicious too. Then place the rest of the egg salad and a slice of bread. As you can imagine, it's really tasty. Tightly wrap with parchment paper. Leave for a while to set. Cut in half right before you serve. It's gonna set nicely if you leave for a while. And now it's done. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Tamagoのコクとごま油の風味でめちゃくちゃ美味しいです。作ってみてください。Please subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon so that you won't miss any of my new videos. I will see you in the next video. どうぞ。ドキンさんでしょ？どうぞ。バイキンマンでしょ次。なんでこれバイキンマンなの？そう、はい、ファーファーは？ファーメロンパン。ファー。ここ？そう。ファーファーミ
ねえ、なんか耳がいっぱいすぎるんだから。3個になってる全部。
ドそうラは？ラ隣。ラそうは？そうこれ。